Lovelies, and welcome to another Sunday vlog. So today I'm ready to go to church. Wig is done, outfit is on point. I'm wearing a boo-boo, by the way. Well, my bag has come from Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake is an OG on this channel. This is probably the 5th bag I'm reviewing for this brand, and I absolutely love it every single time. This is what the bag is looking like. The bag comes really well made. One thing I love about Teddy Blake bags is the fact that the bags are made with premium leather, and this is one bag that I've been itching to get my hands on for the longest. This is the Palm Vanessa, and I just love this bag. This is such a classy bag. I love the fitting. I love the red interior. Let's get into this bag, you guys. Let's get in. Obviously, all of the packaging is just to ensure that the bag maintains its shape. It also comes with a long strap. There's also an inner purse, and you have space on both sides to stuff with whatever you like. This is such a great bag. I don't even mind that I went all black, but at least my wig compensates for that. But anyway, you guys, let me fill this bag up with all of my goodness, and then it's time to go to church, you guys. I'm running late, but this unboxing had to be done. I will catch you guys when we come back from church. Thank you again to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this section of the video. I absolutely love my bag. This bag is such a great addition to my space. You can never go wrong with black, right? But anyway, that's the unboxing. I will see you guys later. And welcome back to the channel. So we are currently at the park right now, and this portion of the video is proudly sponsored by RCB. They have sent my boys some amazing e-scooters, and I cannot wait to try this out. Actually, I think this is going to mark like a tremendous trajectory in my life, because I'm wondering how my life will be after this particular unboxing. This is something my boys have been asking me for God knows how long, and I've been very hesitant to get them this thing. But anyway, let us unbox these packages. I have 2 boxes here. Let's unbox and then chat. For some reason I couldn't find my box cutter, so I'm using my eyebrow thing. There's some accessories in here. Also comes fully packed with a manual. I'm just praying that it comes pre-charged. Hopefully the setup is not too complicated and we can get this thing done as quickly as possible. It actually comes together quite easily. I'm guessing the screws are in here. The first one is already set up. I'm moving on to the second one. It's actually quite easy to set up. There's really no need for any additional tool. It comes with 2 Allen keys and they are quite easy to set up. I've had a couple of people stop by and ask, what are you doing?
Those monkey bars in there?
Yeah, they're new, but I saw the rhinos before I left.
Yeah, so we've been working on this, oh God, for about a year or so.
Yeah?
And it's a Saturday morning sort of crafts sessions. And like at night, we've got a few solar lights and stuff.
Yeah?
And it does look quite sweet. So, yeah.
Oh, really nice.
Help yourself. You want any? Obviously the yellow brick road. Let the kids
Oh, look at that.
help doing bits and bits. And when the sun's shining on these, they look really sweet. Fairy garden stuff here. You find a lot of that's glued down because it has to be.
It has to be, yeah.
And different people made these.
Yeah.
So we just got bricks and they made them into books. I got them from a car boot and then somebody's tidied them up a bit.
Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Ah, gorgeous.
We've got really talented people.
Aww.
I'm not creative. If somebody says, Annette, can you get me 100 bricks? I'll get them 100 bricks. But I can't, you know.
Look at that. Is that a game? It's like, oh, that's Ludo. Yeah.
Ludo.
Oh. Look Look at the little cute little bridge.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice.
I miss this place, honestly. I want to come back. I want to come back. I miss it every single day.
Kelly's used to be our neighbor.
Yeah.
We love Kelly.
She's gone out.
She was
very lovely.
the sweetest, honestly.
She's lovely.
It's nice meeting you, Annette.
Yes,
thank you so much for sharing this. Just tell her you met Tola and the family.
Tola and the family.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It's nice meeting you. Bye. Let's go and test your scooters out. Hold on. I miss this village, honestly. I miss this village. Why did we leave this place? Why?
Oh no,